Most bacon that you see in the store is an injected version, or the water's placed in it and they go to the smokehouse that day and they're on the slicer the next morning.
We use a dry cure process. There's no water added to that product, and what that does is it's a completely different textured bacon. It delivers a completely different eating experience.
We take a lot of pride in having that product out there that is dry cured, never water added to it, and try to deliver you a good hearty slice of bacon that when you put it in the skillet does not shrink up to nothing. You have more meat on your plate at the end of the day after frying that up. We take a lot of pride here in what we do. It has unique flavor and texture, it really does.
If we change something, it better be a lot better. Because if it's not, we're not going to change a thing.